Let's start programming in Lua, and the very first lesson we will see what is Lua, and in particular we will be working with Lua version 5.3, which is the latest version that is available. So first, what is Lua and why the name Lua? So this word Lua comes from Portuguese word Lua, which means moon, and you can see the icon which is also inspired from the same. So Lua is a powerful, efficient, lightweight, and embeddable scripting language, and it supports procedural programming, object-oriented programming, functional programming, data-driven programming, and data description. So you can see that Lua is a versatile language, and it combines simple procedural syntax with powerful data description constructs based on associative arrays and extensible semantics. And Lua is a dynamically typed language and runs by interpreting the bytecode with a registered based virtual machine. So you don't need to specify the type of Lua. And there is automatic memory management with garbage collection in Lua. So let's see what are some of the learning resources. If you want to learn the language in depth, you should refer this book, Programming in Lua 4th edition. There may be some older edition like 3rd edition which will focus towards Lua 5.2. So this 4th edition is updated one and it teaches Lua 5.3, and then you can always refer to the reference manual of Lua, which is lua.org and manual / the version 5.3. So in the next video we will see why is Lua so popular and why should we study Lua.